is always an honor when we're able to have such culinary talent, beverage talent, come in and educate people in a very, dare I say, tasty way. And this time, I made sure I got my ticket. That's right. Freebies around here, we invest in our industry, and that's something that I'm really excited about tonight, because that's what this is all about. It's about having a new experience and having an experience that will be memorable, even if it's your birthday. Happy birthday. Okay. Or even if it's just regular day. I use regular day. And so I really appreciate you all being here. Sarah Dump's Cocktail, I was going to say Queens Bandits.
I'm Johnny Caldwell.
I'm Tanika Reed.
And we are the Cocktail Bandits. Your ladies talk cocktails every day. Sake today. That's right. Talking sake tonight. We really appreciate you guys coming out and spending this Wednesday night with us. We had the pleasure of being introduced to the sake a few months ago, and we're like, we gotta do a fun event with them. And we know Sarah and Nate just from being in these culinary streets in Charleston, and I'm looking for a way to collaborate with them. So we're super excited to be joining forces tonight.
Yes, and these are our favorite events to do, just cultural events. Not only are we sipping, because everyone loves a good sip, but we're also learning about different cultures, so we're imbibing and educating at the same time. And those are the best experiences for us. So we are just honored and thankful that you guys came out, and we're just happy to eat and drink. So let's get started.
Okay, and it's Sarah's dumps. Sarah's dumps. It's myself, Sarah, and my husband, Nate. We are the duo behind Sarah's Dumps. This has existed for almost 4 years, which is pretty wild. We started right before the pandemic happened here in Charleston, and we survived that by delivering to your stoops. And if we deliver to any of your homes, thank you for that. And so we've restarted recently doing these classes. We love this experience. You guys get to learn how to make these dumplings, and most importantly, fold these dumplings. I hope your fingers are ready, and if you're left-handed, we can't help you. It totally throws me off every time. But at any rate, we're gonna make them. We'll send out the recipes after. We've got some tasty sides, I think a couple things that you guys maybe haven't had before, and we're gonna explore some Korean food. So thanks.
Any women, especially women of color, front of house, back of house, anywhere of house in the restaurants. And we went to college in Charleston, so the restaurants are all around, and we didn't see anyone that looked like us. So we decided, instead of making it an obstacle, we would make it an opportunity, and we wanted to